siding replacement project is pretty disruptive to your home. You know, that's we try to be as least intrusive as we can when we're doing our siding project, but you're going to have a big ugly dumpster in your driveway, you're going to have a stack of materials, you're going to have people working and banging on your walls from 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. sometimes. So we try to make sure that we're in your business as little as possible, but while the hard construction is going on, we're going to be around, we're going to be making noise, but there's certain things that we do to try to blunt that a little bit. We'll make sure we take care of any gardenings or plantings that you have. We do ask that you give us 2 feet away from the walls. The guys need room to work. If there's certain areas of the home where you have an office, a home office that you need it to be quiet for, you can let us know those times or days that you're not in that area, and so we can kind of work around those schedules. So we try to work with the homeowners to make sure that it's not as much of a problem as it can be, but we're tearing thousands of pounds of siding off your house and putting thousands of pounds back on. It's going to be a little disruptive during the project.